everyone. Miss Colleen and I are going to help you practice Have You Ever Seen the Rain by Creedence Clearwater Revival. When we play this in the concert, we're going to play this twice through. So you'll come all the way to the end and go straight through and go back to the beginning and play through. And then the second time through, you're going to stop right here where that arrow is pointing. But for today, I'm just going to play this one time through so you can practice the chords in the strumming pad. When I count to 4, you're going to come in with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Someone told me long